Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the source device for cloning, confirm model and free storage, and back up anything essential so you don't lose data. Once done, charge above 50% and enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging so the tool can access system files. Make sure Samsung System Cloner is installed and updated. Open the app and grant requested permissions. Now select the source profile and tap Create Clone. This starts the cloning process and moves you into the transfer phase. Now you execute the core steps. Choose the target storage, internal or SD card, and confirm there's enough space so the clone won't fail midway. Next, pick exactly which apps, accounts, and system settings to copy. Use Selective Clone if you want only certain items. Start the transfer and monitor progress on screen. Make sure you keep the device awake and connected to power. If prompted to grant additional permissions or restart services, allow them so the cloned profile mirrors the original environment accurately. Finish by verifying the clone. Switch to the new profile, open key apps, and confirm accounts and settings carried over. This proves the clone works. If an error appears, like missing apps or permission failures, try retrying with a different target storage or clear the system cloner cache and repeat the process. Make sure you keep the original backup until you're certain the clone is complete. If nothing else works, restore from backup, then attempt a fresh clone after updating firmware and apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.